Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my butter beef balls and bodgy Bombay potatoes. That's a mouthful. Let's get on with it. This tastes great. In goes 2 teaspoons worth of garam masala. Right, straight in 2 teaspoons worth of ground coriander. Right, and we're going to add in around about 2 cloves of garlic and about the same amount again of ginger. I'm just using the paste there. Now I'm going to add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of white vinegar. That goes straight in just like that. We can start stirring these through as we go. 4 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. That can go straight in, otherwise use about 1/3 of a cup of tomato paste if you don't want to use the concentrate. Alright, in goes around about 160 grams worth of good Greek yogurt. That can go straight in. Of course, mixy once again, get all those flavors combined. And I'm also going to add in the equivalent to 4 cardamom pods which have been sort of cracked open, and around about 1/2 teaspoon's worth of ground cinnamon, and also around about a good teaspoon's worth of a hot paprika. I'm using a smoked paprika there. And don't forget to add in around about 75 grams worth of butter, 1.5 onions finely diced, just like that. That goes all straight in. 400 grams worth of tomato puree. Okay, now you can just get chopped tomatoes and put those in a little food processor, and that'll give you that food puree. I'm getting tongue-tied there. Now, if you think you've seen this recipe before, yeah, you're right. I did my butter chicken legs in this recipe, but that is what was left over the next day. I put that in the refrigerator, keep it nice and sealed, and we're going to reuse this. Alright, I'm going to add in another 160 grams worth of good Greek yogurt. That can go straight in, and about another 125 milliliters of cream. Give that a good stir through, just like we're doing there. We're going to get a little bit more of a creamy version of this sauce for this dish. I've added in around about 250 to 300 grams worth of potatoes that I've just peeled and diced. They're a nice little potato. They go straight in just like that. And I've just got some sausages, beef sausages. Use a sausage of your preference. Squeeze those through, make little meatballs like that. Make sure they've got some nice rough edges. They'll catch that sauce up, and if they end up floating up towards the top, they'll get a nice little singe to them as well. So just add those in, as many or little as you want. Very, very simple, and it's a really inexpensive way of reusing something that we had the night before. So we've just taken all of that, and the flavour is going to intensify. Those cardamom seeds are really going to leach out even more flavour, and that cardamom flavour is amazing. Give that all a stir. Oven sitting at 180 degrees. I'm actually going to put the lid on and let that cook off for around about 1.5 hours, and there you go. Look at that. We've got our butter beef balls and bodgy Bombay potatoes. Okay, and if you want to see how to make Bombay potato, you can go back and look on the channel. Serve that up with a little bit of white rice, just like that, and there you go. You've got right cool little meal to go. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, and I love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to A, make your own butter chicken from scratch, which is really easy, and B, reuse what you had the night before and make a completely new dish, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my butter beef balls and bodgy Bombay potatoes, and I will catch you next time. Bye.